everyone, this is Nishtha and welcome back to the channel. This video is for all of you who want to know how to make the best out of your college life. So if you have just entered university or if you're in your first or second year and want to know what lies ahead and what should you prioritize, this video is a good starting point for you. I'll be sharing the learnings and experiences that I've had over the last 2 years. Hopefully they might help you. Let me know in the comments if you like the video. For those of you who are new to the channel, I am Nishtha Goyal, currently pursuing the third and final year of my bachelor's in finance at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, University of Delhi. And this is an attempt to help you navigate your college life better. So let's dive right into it. Starting off with academics. First things first. Academics are an integral part of your college life and they cannot be neglected. You might have heard from, seniors and other people here and there that, don't put so much focus on academics. College is a time to explore different things and have the time of your life, and don't be a nerd who's sitting on the first bench taking notes. And while that may be true, you don't need to be so dedicated, be as dedicated as you were in class 12. It does not require that rigorous style of studying in college. You can get more done in less amount of time. So the key strategy is to work smart, not hard, but in the end you need to work. Nothing is going to happen if you do not work towards your GPA, and maintaining an 8.5 or a 9 GPA will help you even after you graduate. It's not that difficult to get a good GPA, especially in University of Delhi, and with the right strategy you can do everything, have the time of your life, explore everything in college while have a sound academic score. What is my GPA, you ask? I've over the past 4 semesters I've maintained a 9+ GPA, so it does not take as much effort as you might think it does. So I would urge you to plan strategically, plan smartly, and give the requisite amount of time to the academics and GPA part of things, so that you can enjoy college life as well as have a good GPA while you're graduating or whenever you're sitting for placements or internships. So don't neglect your GPA is the key takeaway here. Next, moving on to friendships. Whenever you enter college, you are very intimidated by the new people you'll meet, the new experiences you'll have, the new friend group that you'll have. You'll leave your old friends in your school. They all will be going to new colleges and new places, and you'll have a new set of people that you'll call friends for the next 3 years. So friendships is also a crucial part of what makes a good college life. You'll meet all sorts of people in college. You'll have different types of people in college, and it is upon you to decide who you want to call your friends. Always choose your friend group wisely, because these people will be the closest to you in your college life for whatever the 1, 2 or 3 years that you have in front of you. And the one thing that has worked for me and something that I personally believe in is surround yourself with people who want the best for you, who want you to become a better version of yourself, who motivate you to do the same. Find people who find happiness in your happiness, and act as support in times of crisis. Surrounding yourself with people who are, overly competitive or at times do not find happiness in your success, who do not clap when you win, who are not supportive of you or mock you for trying something new or for doing something out of the league. It is not worth it to be around those people in your college life. It will take a toll on your mental health, and this is something that you should not be doing. So surround yourself with people who genuinely make you happy, who you can have fun with and make memories to cherish for the rest of your life, while also keep growing alongside them. That friendship will be sustaining for a long period of time, even beyond college, and you will be lucky to find such people. Now, coming on to internships. How do you find internships? Does college give you internships? Which internship to do? In which domain should we do the internship? All of these are many different questions and queries that might be troubling you. Internships give you a real life experience of what to expect in a job or what to expect in a particular industry. It gives me a real life hands-on experience of whether this is the right field for me or not. So there might be 2 categories of people. One who might be sure if they want to go in a certain field. In that case, internships will give you the hands-on experience and will make you better suited for a job in the future. For second category of people who are not still sure of the field they want to go to, my advice for you is to try on as many different internships as possible, because they will help you decide which is the right field for you. Campus internships, many colleges provide campus internships. I got my internship on campus. Many people do not get an internship on campus because the opportunities are limited. Don't be disheartened. I have seen people converting good internships and even better internships than campus by reaching out on LinkedIn. If you're still not sure of how to do that, go to my channel and you can see 2 videos that I've uploaded about cold mailing and getting internships on off campus. That will be a very useful resource for all of you. Internships are a good way of experiencing real life skills as well as earning some money in college life. Next, about societies. So if you feel that you want to open up and explore different interests in your college life, college societies and clubs are a great way to do that. You might have cultural societies, you might have academic societies, whatever interests you, go behind that. College societies give you a space for you to interact with people of similar interest, people of similar mindset, make friends with them and do activities that interest all of you. So you learn and grow with different people doing what you want to do and what interests you. The societies are a very good way of exploring and learning new things. If you would have wanted to dance all your life but have not gotten the chance, go and audition for the dance society. Even if you're not a good singer, go and audition for the music society. If you're always afraid of public speaking and your communication skills, go and interview for the debating society. Let the society reject you. You do not reject yourself based on what the society might expect. Go and audition for the society that interests you, and believe me, the experience will be worth it. Academic societies, if you want to go into marketing, go join the marketing society. If you want to go into finance, join the finance society. You'll get access to seniors, you'll get access to resources, you will be in an environment of learning, and it will only add to your college life. It's not that if you do not get into any society, your college life won't be worth it. I've seen many people who leave societies or who are not a part of any society and they still go on to do great things. It is just a catalyst for your growth, not a prerequisite. So keep that in mind and go explore different opportunities under different clubs and societies. Next point will be experimenting. So college life is a good phase. Most of us don't have much responsibilities. We have high risk taking capacity, and it's a good time to start exploring different things, start experimenting. So if you want to pick up a new skill, maybe learn the guitar, maybe try singing, maybe try working with an NGO, or maybe for me it was starting this YouTube channel. Don't be afraid of experimenting. Even if you fail, you have nothing to lose, right? So and if you succeed, then sky's the limit. People might judge you, don't pay heed to them, because the people who will judge you right now will only come to you, appreciate you and clap for you when you succeed in whatever you were doing. Also, do not get pressurized by your peers to do what they are doing. Everybody has different aims and objectives out of college, and everybody has a different background. So what might work for one might not work for you. Find out what interests you and go behind that. Yeah, surround yourself with people who will support you in this journey, and there's nothing to lose really. So give your best shot at whatever you've always wanted to do. Last point, this is something that is really neglected by college students, but do not neglect your well-being during this. It includes both your physical and mental health. This is not a good time to be having physical health issues or whatever. So do not neglect, have meals on time, start exercising. Even I am guilty of not exercising regularly, and I try my best to be regular at it, but do not neglect your well-being, getting stuck in the rat race of college. This is a good time for you to grow, but if it comes at the cost of your health, it is not worth it. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to 1 hour every day to your well-being. Go read that book, go to the park, go for a run, go for a walk, go to the gym, eat good food. In college, we get accustomed to eating a lot of junk food, a lot of packaged and processed food. I'm not saying avoid that completely, but have a balance of healthy cooked food and whenever you're in cafes with your friends. Mental health also is a crucial part of your productivity and your performance in college. So if you anytime feel burnt out or maybe overworked, go and talk to your friends. That's why having good friendships is important, because they will help you in this time to, you know, slow down, have a break, give time to yourself, separate yourself from all of the things that were stressing you out, have a break and get back at your work with increased productivity. So seek professional help if you really feel that things are not getting better. Don't be shy of, you know, asking out for help. Balance all of these things. I know it sounds a bit too much, but trust me, it's manageable. And I hope this video gave you some insight as to what to expect in college life. Have fun. You can watch the vlogs on my channel. It's not that I party every day or maybe go on trips with my friends, but yeah, I have made decent memories in my college life to cherish even after I graduate, and this is something that you should do too. Be flexible, be open to change. Not everything will go according to the plan, and this time will teach you a lot. There would be many peaks and many troughs, but this is the time that you'll be learning many important, valuable life lessons. If at all anything bothers you, I am always available on this channel, in the comment section, in my Instagram DM. So feel free to reach out to me for anything. I'll be happy to help. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Let me know any other topic if you want my views on. I've been quite busy in the last few months getting over with my internship and an exciting project that I'll be sharing with you guys soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking